Hello children, we have finished in previous videos exercise 12.1 and now we are going to start exercise 12.2. Topic is remaining same, the Hero's formula. We have learnt how to use Hero's formula for determining the area of triangle, but here in this exercise we will learn Hero's formula can be used in order to find the area of quadrilateral also. So, application of Hero's formula in finding or in determining the area of quadrilateral. Let us see question number 1. The question is, a park is in the shape of a quadrilateral. Question is here, a park is in the shape of a quadrilateral. We know quadrilateral of 4 sides, 4 sides figure we can say, closed figure is called, 4 sides closed figure is called a quadrilateral. And then in this quadrilateral angle name is there, I think ABCD, quadrilateral ABCD. And then in this angle, which angle is mentioned 90 degree, angle C is 90 degree. Then some length of sides are also there. AB is 9 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter and CD is 5 centimeter or meter, since it is park dimension supposed to be in meter. So, 9 meter AB is, BC is 12 meter and CD is 5 meter. Then one more dimension is there, that is AD equal to 8 meter. So, we need to just draw a diagram of this quadrilateral. Here not mention which type of quadrilateral it is, but it is just a quadrilateral. Name we give, suppose A, B, C, D. Which angle is mentioned 90 degree? Angle C. Suppose this angle is 90 degree. Then dimensions start with AB 9 meter, BC 12 meter, CD 5 meter and AD is 8 meter. What we have to find? How much area it occupies. This within this figure, what is the area of this figure or park. So, what we do? We draw the diagonal. From here we start the solution. This is part of solution. Just now I am showing you here. Draw the diagonal. Why not we are drawing another diagonal AC? Because this angle is already mentioned 90 degree angle. If one, you know that angle, right angle, the sides containing right angle will be considered as the base and height. So, we will consider area of this triangle. Very easily we can find out half into base into height. Anyway, to get this area, what shall we do? First we need to know this side, because here we cannot use that formula half into base into height. This angle is not mentioned 90 degree. So, in this triangle we will use Pythagoras theorem and find the area of this diagonal. Then that will be the part of both triangle. So, whether we use half into base into height or we use Hero's formula, we can find out the area of both triangle and then last we will add them, that will be the area of whole park. So, let us start. First what we did? We join the diagonal, what is the diagonal? BD, join the diagonal BD. After that the diagonal what did? Divided the quadrilateral into 2 figures. Is it clear? So, now we will go in right triangle BCD. What we are going to find in this? 2 sides are given, this hypotenuse we will find out. 90 degree opposite side is called hypotenuse. So, hypotenuse square will be equal to what? perpendicular square plus base square. So, hypotenuse is equal to root perpendicular square. Any one side we can consider as perpendicular and another side base by Pythagoras theorem. We need to just mention it here why we are using this property, from where we are using this property. Now, BD will be equal to BC is how much? 12 square. CD is how much? 5. So, 12 square 144 plus 5 square 25. Finally, we get 169, and I hope you all are knowing 169 square root will be 13. So, 13 meter is the length of this diagonal, and then you can calculate area of this triangle, both triangle using Hero's formula, or this area half into base into height and all, it is up to us. So, now we are going to calculate area of triangle. So, whichever triangle, suppose this triangle we first use. So, in triangle BCD, first side BC is how much? 12 meter. Second CD how much? 5 meter, and then this diagonal is the third side DB or BD, whatever we have calculated 13 meter. So, first S semi perimeter, first side, second side and third side by 2, we get 13, 5, 18, 12, 30 by 2, 30 by 2 is 15 meter is the semi perimeter. Therefore, area of which triangle? BCD. Here name we are using because quadrilateral is divided into two parts. First part is BCD. So, S into S minus A into S minus B and S minus C is the area of triangle. We use this semi perimeter 15 minus first side 12, 15 minus second side 5 and 15 minus third side 13. So, we get root 15 into 3 into 10 into 2, 15 minus 12 3, 15 minus 5 10, 15 minus 3 13 2. So, root 15 we can factorize, 3 5s are 3 remains, 10 we can factorize, 5 2s are and again 2 is there. Out of root will come 3, 5 and 2. So, 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30 meter square is the area of this triangle BCD. Now, in this triangle we will calculate area. In triangle DAB, so side you can see the figure and write down. DA is 8 meter, AB is 9 meter and the third side is diagonal, we have calculated that is 13 meter, that diagonal is BD or DB, whatever we write name, that is 13 meter. So, here we will go again for finding S, 8 plus 9 plus 13 by 2. So, this also 8, 9, 17, 13, 30 by 2, we will get 15 meter. Then area of triangle will be, area of triangle, what triangle we have used name ADB. Instead of writing formula, direct we will go, we know semi perimeter, again semi perimeter minus first side, semi perimeter 15 minus second side and semi perimeter that is 15 minus third side 13. We get 15, 15 minus 8 7, 15 minus 9 6, 15 minus 13 2, 15 3 5s are 7, 6, 2 3s are and 2. We get 3 3 3, we can get 2 2 2, remaining under root 5 and 7 here, no pair, they do not have any pair. So, 35, we get 6 root 35 centimeter, no, meter square is the area of another part. this triangle. This part we calculated area was 30 meter square, this part 6 into root 35 meter square. Now, what shall we do? We will add both the triangle area and we will get area of the park. So, let us see. Now, we are going to add these two and find the area of quadrilateral park. Therefore, area of quadrilateral park ABCD. ABCD. What will be area of first triangle, that is we calculated 30 meter square, plus area of another triangle 6 root 35. If we add, before that we need to calculate a square root of 35. So, 35, let us start by 5 we can divide, 5 5s are 25, 6 6 are 36, we can't divide, 10 comes, 5 will be added, again 10, now 0.20 we can take, we will put here at least 7, 8, 8 also, 9 also we can use, 9 9s are 81, 8, 9 1s are 9. So, 9, 1, cancel, again 9 will be added, same number we add in square root, 18, 1, 1, 20 will be. So, only one time we can divide, 1, 1, 8, 9, at least go one more digit for dividing, 9, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 8 minus 1, 7, again 20 we can take, 1 will be added, 1, 8, 1, 1. So, 11 6, at least we can divide 6 times. No need to continue, only to get the third digit we are doing this. So, we are getting what here? 6 into 5.916. So, if we consider for this 5.9 we will take, because second digit is 1. If we go for third digit is 6, we will use here 9 2. So, slight difference will be there in answer, nothing to worry about that. We will use here 5.916. So, third digit is 6, we are using 2 next to the second digit. Now, 30, it does not have decimal digit. So, we will put here 20, 6 2s are 12, 9 6 are 54, 155, 5 remains, and 6 5s are 30 plus 5, 35. And finally, we add 5 2, 5, 3 3, 6 meter square is the area of that park. Hope you have understood. Now, we will go in question number 2. So, let us start now question number 2 of same exercise. Find the area of quadrilateral ABC. So, we have to find area. So, let us go with that. To find area of triangle, area of quadrilateral ABCD. Then some dimensions are there. AB is 3 centimeter. Next, BC is 4, CD is also 4. BC is 4 centimeter, CD is also 4 centimeter. Then any other dimension? Yes, DA is equal to 5 centimeter, and after DA what is that? AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So, we will simply draw a quadrilateral, only it should have a shape. We do not know what type of quadrilateral it is. We will see AB, A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral. Insert this all the dimensions. AB, BC is 4, CD is also 4, DA is 5, DA or AD. Then AC is where? A and C. So, we join it, that is 5 centimeter. So, it is very simple. In last question we found this, because one angle was 90 degree using Pythagoras theorem, this we found. After that we calculated the area and added, and we got the full area. Here everything is given. So, just straight we start work in whichever triangle you wish to start. ABC, this triangle. First side AB is how much? 3 centimeter, BC is 4 centimeter, and third side AC is 5 centimeter. So, S equal to first side, no need to write ABC always, first side plus second side plus third side by 2. So, 12 by 2 we will get 6 centimeter is the semi perimeter. Then we go for therefore S. Oh, S we found, sorry, area of triangle. So, area of which triangle? ABC. Once you write formula, in next one no need to write. A minus B, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S we got how much? 6. 6 minus first side 3, 6 minus second side 4, 6 minus third side 5. So, 6 into 3 into 6 minus 4, 2 into 1. So, simple 6, 2 into 3 into 3 into 2. So, we will get 2 into 3, 6 centimeter square is the area of this part, this triangle. Now, we go in another triangle. What is the name of triangle? ACD. So, first side anyone we can consider, AC suppose it is 5. We just see the figure and do. AD is 5, DC is 4. So, S equal to 5 plus 5 plus 4 by 2. So, 14 by 2 we get 7 centimeter. Then area of which triangle we are working? Area of triangle ACD. We will not write here that formula, straight we go semi perimeter. S minus first side, again S minus second side, and S minus third side. We get 7, 7 minus 5 2, again 7 minus 5 2, 7 minus 4 3. So, 2 2 2 comes out, 7 3 is 21 remains. So, centimeter square. So, now what we will do? Question is asked here, find the area of quadrilateral. So, we will add this area and this area, I mean both the area. So, we can go therefore area of quadrilateral ABCD. How much it is? 6 plus 2 root 21. Please don't add this 6 and 2. We can't add because this is irrational number and this is rational number. Reaching here we may make mistakes, seeing 6 plus 2 8 root 21, we will be wrong. So, this irrational number first we will calculate value, we need to get square root of 21 first. By 5 we cannot divide, by 4, 4 4s are 16, 5, 4 will be added, 8, we put decimal 2 zeros, 4 times, 5 times also we can divide, 5 5s are 25, 8 5s are 42, 8, 9 minus 2 7, again 5 will be added here, 10, 9, 2 zeros will come, 9, this will be 10 minus 5 5, then 9 minus 2 7, and then so we will divide it by 8 times, 8 8s are 64, 6, 9 8s are 72, we get here 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 6 3, 4 minus 2 2, again 8 added, 8 8 16, 1 9, and put here 2 0, if whatever we put here 9 1 6, 2 times we can divide. So, we are getting here 4.582. So, 6 plus 2 into 4.582, third digit is smaller than 5. So, we will just keep 8 here only. So, we get 4.58, 6.00 plus multiply these two now, 8 2s are 16, 5 2s are 10, 1 11, 4 2s are 8, 1 9. Finally, we add 15.16 centimeter square is the area of that quadrilateral. Hope you have understood. See you now in next video.